The last couple months have been, let's just say, crazy. As always, I've been traveling a lot. With all that traveling, you know, I've definitely been filming a lot. But here's the bad news. Basically, I haven't put up any videos on Mize adventure. Basically, that's because I haven't had a Mac computer. The last 3 months, I have gone through 2 Mac computers that have totally failed. But here's the good news. I finally got a working MacBook computer, which I can start editing videos again with. So I have a ton of videos coming out from all the content from the last couple of months. I really hope you enjoy this one, and if you do, I'd really appreciate it if you would subscribe. See you in the video. I'm actually on my way to middle of nowhere, Maryland, to potentially pick up a parts FJ60, 1985 FJ60. Kind of a rust bucket from what I saw from the pictures, but we'll soon see. It might be something worth saving, but I really don't think so. But I'm really excited about having a parts truck. There it is. Woo. Let's go see what I can get it for. All right, we're in the truck. Potential buy. This thing started right up. It's pretty sick. It's definitely a beater, but it's kind of cool. I like it for what it is, and we're gonna see if we can make a deal on it. Let's go see. I want to check a couple things out on the back end out here. But thing looks sweet though. You know, a lot of rust on it for sure. But I think she could make some good use. So the exhaust is out. The shock tower mount under here is out. But, you know, it is what it is. Got some good parts. So let's go try to make a deal. All right, we just made a deal. Ash is coming in the other truck, and I made a deal for this truck. It's a beater for sure, but we're driving her home. No plates, so we'll see how we make it home, but it should be fun. We'll see you on the other side. Well, here she is. The good old new beater FJ60. She's a rust bucket, that's for sure. She doesn't leak anything, but she has a ton of Swiss cheese, so I'll tell you what. She's got rust here, rust there, there, here, there. No rust anywhere near these back panels, which is pretty amazing. No rust on the good old faithful chrome Toyota. Oh, wait, more rust there. Oh, wait. Is that a giant hole in the frame? Let me show you the best part. There is no shock tower. It is completely missing. The exhaust is falling apart. It's in pieces. The frame is a joke. More rust. But she is a good looker. A good runner too. Let me show you.